for you. If you'd like to get started on keto, I would love to help you get started. You can click down below for my keto family class. It's not just for families, it just has family-friendly food. So if stuff like pizza and tacos and pigs in a blanket all sounds good to you, I would love to have you come with us. I've got meal plans for you that have breakfast, lunch, and dinner. They're all family-friendly foods. All of the nutrients are calculated so you can kind of adjust it based on your own personal needs. And we have information on starting the ketogenic diet for different members in your family, depending on who you're doing this for. Women have different considerations, especially when it comes to hormones. Men have different considerations, especially when it comes to iron. Athletes have different considerations, especially when it comes to electrolytes, which is something that everyone needs. But anyways, I have so much to share with you. I couldn't do it all in this video, but if you click down below, I'd love to give you a great price for signing up for this class, because I really just want you to start getting these quick wins. I really love being on keto, and I know you will too.